the Katana. We've been working on it over the past 2 years. This is it finally there. This board is made for sliding. It makes it easier to slide. I designed this board for freeriding, but you can also do downhill, or you can also slash down the hill as well. I've been working on this board with Aaron. He's an amazing guy.
This one we like experimented with a few different finishing options. Yeah. So this one,
he does a lot of testing with Landyachtz. So we've made like almost 8 samples of the board of Katana. We've been testing them and then to see which ones perform the best for us. The first prototypes that I've designed, I tested that board at this exact same hill. I would say this is one of the steepest hills in Vancouver. Best way to test the board because it's so that we can tell that this board can handle, you know, steep hills. And then I think the test was successful. I skated it. I could skate it. This is a fully symmetrical board. It's just because having an equal distribution of the weight along the board, that's the hopeful main purpose of making this board. I like riding switch, but you know, if you're not comfortable riding switch, if you want to go fast and sprint, you can set up with directional setup. It's really like up to you, how you enjoy this board. The other team riders, they are really stoked on this riding this board as well.
You know that Katana is an anagram for Tanaka?
No.
Same letters.
Whoa, is that how we came to there?
Oh, nice. I like that. It's good, I like the shape. I like the wheelbase options. It's stable, it's solid. Thumbs up.
Definitely feel comfortable at faster speeds in general. Felt good doing handstand slides as well. Toe side, heel side, 180s, 360s, whatever you want to do. The width feels good, the rocker's good. The wheel flare's very subtle. When you first stand on it, you feel nothing, but you don't really feel it until right when you initiate your slide. Oh.
There's a slight wheel flare, mixture of concave and wheel flare. You can still feel it under your foot. The concave is pretty narrow. You can feel the full surface of your board to maximize your control. There's no micro drop. You can put your foot stop wherever you want to. You can customize your own board. That's a good thing about not having a micro drop. I designed this board so that you can do all types of slide. You can do big slide, you can do check slide. Specifically, actually, I designed this board for that it makes it easier to do penny slide, which because I really like to anyway. The name of this board is Katana. My full name is Tanaka, and the Katana is a anagram of Tanaka. And that's how I came up with the idea of naming this board Katana. It looks like, you know, Katana, so you can sort of attack anyone if you want to anyway. I'll be stoked if I can see you guys riding this board, because this board it's a ton of fun. Even if you don't skate, you should get it and then just put it on a wall. I think it's actually like I would love to do that.